This is still continuation of Ss1 Mathematics. Continuation of Ss1 Mathematics. Then we still say it's number system. And this time around, we are trying to look at conversion of decimal, fraction or decimal from base 10 to other base. We have done from base 10 to base 2. So conversion of decimal from base 10 to other bases. So let me have example. Sorry, it's not example. So example, I say example or something like that. So that's the work of. So let's move. We said, for instance, is 0.54 base 10 to base 3 correct to 5 dp decimal place. Yes, look at this clearly. You see that it's quite different from the one we have done. So, but we still employ the same method. Like I said, you are going from base 10 to base 3. If at all is before points, what we just do is our normal. We are still going to do it, but we are going to do opposite of that. There we divide, here we multiply. So it's 0.45 base 10 to base 3, isn't it? We multiply by 3. Don't forget, we are concerned with this. This gives me 12. I take 1, this 15. It gives me 16. I count the number after point. I count it here, insert my point. They said, don't forget, they said to what? To 5. So times 3, that is, I will multiply in 5 places. So this I give 6, and this one give me 12. So I count 1, 2, I insert my, oh, sorry, not 12. 3 times this 18, sorry. So I count 1, 2. So I still multiply by 3. This give me 18. I take my 1. This 24, 25. 1, 2. I insert. So this one 24, right? 4, take 2. And this 15, 17. 15, 17. Okay, 17. I write everything down since I'm concerned with the one after. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the fifth. Like I'm on the fifth one. So this 12, I take 1. And this one is 21, 22. I count 1, 2. So I stop here since I have been told to 5 dp. So the other one we normally write it up. So we write this one towards the down. So 0.54 base 10 will be equal to, I start from up and I say all the ones before the point. 1. Not, this is the beginning, not inclusive. So we have another 1, we have 2, we have, they will always be after point. Yes, I'll call them 0 point. Yes, is equal to 0.2. We have 1 and we have 2. So this one now is in base what? 3. So this is how to convert it. Very simple. Now let's quickly go to addition. I only do one example because there are things that you have done. So just 3 to may like watch this video in this aspect. So we have addition and subtraction. Subtraction of don't say number system. Don't let me say base 2. Because it could be in any base. So example, we have, take for instance, let's look at base 2. Let's start from base 2. We have 2. Okay, okay. Let me say 1011 add 111, all base 2. I think this one, if you like, you arrange it, and this from the back. You start from the back, like we normally arrange in primary. So if I want to add, okay, that reminds me. Let's go to our number normal. We say 28 plus, let's say, 19. When we add this one, it gives us 14. Then we don't write all the 14 down because our natural numbers are in base 10. All our numbers that we use, base 10. So this is now bigger than this base. That is why we write 4. We take this 1 here. And that's why if you want to borrow it, it comes here like this. This turn to 15. Why? It's coming as the base. So that's exactly what to do. But for addition, it's just that of the one we carry that matter most. But then let's move. If I add this one, give me 2. You can write it down because the base is 2. The highest that you can go is before the base. So I'll divide it. How many 2 can I see into 1? That will be my carry. Then I'll only write down the remainder. That's why I say this base must be greater than all digits here. So the remainder will be 0. If I add this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will give me 3. 2 there, it will be 1, but it will remain 1. This one will be 2. 2 into 1, it will remain 0. This one will still give me 2. 2 into 1, it will remain 0. The last one, there is nothing there. I'll write, of course, that's how we'll add it. So let me still give little addition of other base other than base 2. We say 2 1 2 on base let's see 3 plus 1 2 2 base 3. So it is very important that we know that we can only add the same base. If they are not in the same base, this means I can bring both of them to base 10 and add. So because base 10 is their garage where we reconcile. So this one, 2 1 2, let's solve it. And 1 2 2. We say base 3, and we say what? Base 3. Let's add base 3. So my answer must not be up to 3. So if you add this one, give me 4. How many 3 can I get there? 1, but remainder 1. Now if I add this one, give me 4. How many 3 can I get there? 1, and it remainder 1. If I add this one, gives me 4. How many can I get there? 1, and it's remainder 1. So the last one is not up to me. So this is my answer base what? Base 3. Okay, that is addition. What about if the addition come in this form? Let's say I said 3 1 2 base 4 plus 1 2 2 base 3. You see that they are in different base. Although in such situation, they are going to tell you to leave your answer in so base. If they want to trouble you, they tell you to leave your answer in base 2. So it means you bring the 2 to base 10. When they say leave your answer in base 2 or in binary. So that one tells you that I'll bring the 2 to base 10. I'll bring them to what? The 2 to what? Base 10. Then I'll do my addition. I'll now return it to base 2. Let's quickly do it. If I want to bring this one to base 10, of course, like we normally do, this is base 4. Don't forget 4, 4, 4, power 0, power 1, power 2. And the other one, I want to do them simultaneously. That's base 3, 3, 3, 3. So power 0, 1, and power 2. So this time, this one will give me what? It will now be 3 times 4 squares, 4 times 4, 4 raised to power 2, which is give me 16. Let's add 2. I'm doing it direct. 4. And this one, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So we are multiplying this side. And I'm adding. So this one will give me 2 times anything raised to power 1. So let me get this one out. 16 times this, 8. 48 plus 4 plus 2, and that gives me 54 base 10. So from this side, we have 1 times 3 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 0. So this one just give me 9. And this 2 times 3 is 6. This one will be 1. That's 2. Finally, I will have this 15, 17, base 10. Then I add the 2. They are in base 10. Of course, I can add normal. This one is 13. I take 1. And this one give me 7. So it's in base 10. So this I should leave my answer in base 2. Then I convert it to base 2. So 2 in 7, 3, remainder 1. In 13, I think that's 6, remainder 1. 2, 1. In that's 8, remainder 0. 2, 9, remainder 0. 2, 4, remainder 1. 2, 2, remainder 0. 2, 1, remainder. Am I too rushing? So there's all remainder what 0. So 2, 0, remainder 1. Then we write it upward. That's our normal thing. So therefore, I have my final answer to be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2 finally. So this is addition. Let's continue. Let's proceed to subtraction. If I am given 0, 1, 1, yeah, base 2, subtract 1, 0, 0, yeah, base 1, base 2. Okay, so let's move. Base 2, we subtract this, base 2. Like I told you that time, okay, let me call this one 1, 1, 1, so that I'll be able to, and let me put a 0 here, so I'll be able to fulfill the issue. So base 2, 1 minus 1 is 0. It's not up to the base. I write it down. Is 0 minus 1. This is never possible. You are not counting anything. They ask you to remove 1. Definitely it's not possible. Then you come to this side. Nothing. When you have nothing to eat in your house, your neighbor, nothing to eat. Then you go to the third neighbor. Let's see. The third neighbor has 1. But the one that he has is bigger than your own. It's just that the house is different. I borrowed the 1. This one remains 0. It comes as the base, like we said that time. So it comes as 2. So this is not where I need it. I need it here. I still borrow 1 from that to remaining 1. So it moves as what? 2. And this one will now give me 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Of course, when there is 0 before it, it's insignificant. So this is my answer. So let's see, try it in form let's see, like we have 2, 1, 2 base 3. Subtract 1, 2, 2 base 3. Okay, so 2, 1, 2 base 3. 1, 2, 2 base 3. We are subtracting base 3. Let's subtract this. It will give us 0, not up to. 1 minus 2 is impossible. I borrow 1 here. This remainder 1. The 1 will go as the base, which is what? 3. Don't forget, the 3, you have to add it to the existing 1 there, making 4. Now 4 minus 2, it will be 2. Of course, it's not up to, this one will be 0. So I said this is significant. So this is my answer. So let's draw the curtain here again. This one is taking quite a long time, but then we are still going to do the multiplication and division very soon. Now, my advice to generality of the students and teachers, the teachers who are in the hard time where education is worthless, is nothing. What the examination malpractice all over everywhere. In fact, if you don't do it, you are just like living in the past. So I think for the best teacher outside there, I'll still encourage you to keep on moving. The good day is coming. Is coming by God's grace. Don't let us shake. Let's hold our feet firm to say no to examination malpractices anyway. Let the parents continue. Every one of them will reap whatever they have sown. They will reap it. So that would be my advice for the teachers and the kids. Keep on encouraging them. Education is never a scam. Education is never a scam. You could see on social media those people without education, although they have the money, but they don't even know how to spend it. Though they have the famous, their famous popularity, but then they don't know how to go about it. So with this education, we still, at least we are maintaining. We hope one day this country will be better for us to live better than this. If the country is not given, we are giving back. We have sacrificed the whole of our life to acquire this, but now it's worthless. Let us stay firm. I know it's going to be better. It's going to be better. So have a nice time. I remain Pelumi.